Okay, everyone, welcome to basically my relief instructions for today. Okay, it's 1GY3, so it's my express class. Okay, so yes, I'm away in reservist right now, so I need you guys to actually just cooperate with relief teachers accordingly, and hopefully that if you do everything just nice, we can consume the 1.5 hours smoothly. Okay, so just look forward to that. Now, just some briefing about the tasks that you need to do for today. Okay, just the camera a bit. Okay, now tasks that you need to do for today. Number one, if you look at this, okay, this is something that some of you have completed, some of you have not, but in general, I want you guys to go through this. Okay, so by the way, this particular chapter in SLS is from page 86 all the way until page 94, 86 to 94. Now, what this chapter looks at is the sustainable use of water and how countries, especially pertaining to Singapore and also around the world, how they manage water sustainably. Okay, so I'm just gonna enable it. Okay, I'm not enabling it now just in case you all do it like tonight or something, but I'm gonna enable it on the day itself, probably before 12. Alright, so I need you guys to complete these assignments here. Okay, so that's reducing water consumption. How does Singapore does it? It's critical that you understand that Singapore does it in a certain way, and is basically done through education. It'll also be very useful if you have your textbook beside you to refer. Okay, so I want you all to spend the lesson today going through part 2 here, reducing water consumption, where Singapore does it using 2 ways: increasing the price of water and also education. And then next, you can look at the case of study of South Africa, how they attempt to survive the water crisis and manage water use as well. Okay, so they have a water awareness campaign. So if you notice, for this part, we talk about education mainly. Okay, so I'm not going to go too deep into it. I need you guys to actually go and read it up yourselves first because we have some time. Alright, so that's education. The next part here is we're going to look at the 4 national taps. Very briefly, 4 national taps of Singapore is imported water, new water, desalinated water, and local water catchment. Okay, so these are the 4 national taps. Okay, so do read up about it. Alright, there's some videos. Do the ITTs as well, guys, so please complete it. Okay, then each of the following tabs now actually goes into details to what each national tab does. So you got water catchment in Singapore, you can look at the reservoirs, and then you got the imported water from Malaysia, particularly pertaining to the agreements in 1962, 61, and 1990, and you look at the price that we are paying for water, and then there's new water. Okay, obviously taking our wastewater and recycling it for our own local consumption. And lastly, desalinated water. Now, when you look at this part of the content, what I want you to think of is why exactly does our state, our government actually push to develop water technologies such as new water, desalinated water, and these 2 water technologies? Why do they do so? Is there a critical component? Can we continue to rely on water from Malaysia, for example, imported water? Or is there a security component, something that you have to secure our future? So I want you guys to think about that. Okay, so the first objective is you guys need to complete this SLS lesson here. Alright, so that's objective number 1. Now, objective number 2 is I have assigned with you guys a lesson for mind maps. Okay, I need you guys to get on your PLDs, take out your styluses, and design 1 to 3 mind maps based on whatever you have learned here. Okay, so mind map so if you look at instructions, I've actually placed it here. You can divide it into 3 different mind maps because you have 3 different themes. So you can design one mind map explaining the 4 national taps. You can do another one which talks about how the countries improve water quality, and your textbooks page 86 and 87 we talk about how laws are implemented. Maybe you want to actually design a mind map that help you memorize and conceptualize that in something digestible for you. And lastly, how do they reduce water consumption? Okay, so mind maps I believe that in your PLDs you can draw on a whiteboard or whatever it is called. You can extract the image and upload it to here. Now I believe that I've taught you guys how to upload the documents and pictures onto the Google Classroom. So just click add document and file. Now you guys will probably be saving it into Google Drive, so it's easier to retrieve the mind maps. If you are not able to retrieve the mind maps, let me know via WhatsApp. I'll try to get back to you guys by tonight. Yeah, I'll probably be on my phone tonight. Okay, so don't give the relief teachers problems. I think you guys are independent enough as proven to past experiences. Complete the work, and I'll see you guys next Wednesday for English. So look forward to that, right guys? Okay, have a good day. Bye bye.